everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video, which is about iPhone camera not working after iOS any update. Then close camera app prompts to check iPhone screen. Double tap on the home button to see the multitasking screen. Swipe up your finger on app to load it completely camera. So first of all, this problem is solution. Your iPhone is a restart robot. iPhone to get rid of iPhone camera not working. Simple reboot or force restart iPhone. So first of all, restart, press the back button until show your Apple logo, then click and slide up power up and few seconds is on your iPhone. Okay, then this solution is not working, and the number solution, check new iOS update. How can I check update on iPhone? Then click on setting and then click on general and then click on software update and show your device on update. And uh, and uh, this problem will be fixed. And other solution, reset iPhone setting to fix iPhone camera not working, auto fix internet setting error and wrong setup resistant. And first of all, again go to the setting, and then you will be must tap on general and then tap on scroll up, transfer or reset, then click on reset, and lastly tap on reset or setting. And for security reason you will be asked to enter the iPhone passcode and tap confirm reset or setting. After that iPhone will be reboot or restart, then problem will be fixed. Or your problem is not fixed and then issue enable flashlight in the dark area. So how can I enable flashlight in dark area? Then click on camera and then click on flash and then click on and then click on off, and then your flash icon on to tab on screen and then select on. That is it. Then your problem should solve. This is a method, guys. So you solve this method, guys. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest new tech video.